Friends between a successful man and other is not the leg of strength. A very cheerful morning to the respectable teacher and all my dear friends. I am Naveen along with my classmate Bhavik. Welcome you all in the pleasant morning assembly. This time to remember the Almighty, the creator of all universe. So we would like to invite prayer girls on the stage for morning prayer. A new thought can inspire your day. So to brighten your morning assembly, I would like to call Shirat for thought of the day. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shirat. I reading first class. Today's thought is: if you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. Repeat my thought. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. Thank you. Do you all read newspaper or hear news in the morning? To update ourselves every day, show your awareness towards our nation society. To give some updates about the happenings around the world. Here, Kamalpreet with latest news headlines. Goodness is a key of success and an important aspect your daily life to assess your knowledge. Here comes Sonia for Go Questions. Good morning, my name is Sonia. Today's questions are: my first question is, who opened the first school for girls in India? Savitribai Phule is right answer. My second question is, how many years did it take to build the Taj Mahal? 20 years the right answer. Required Zaruri is the right answer. Delighted Khushana is the right answer. Breathe Saas lena is the right answer. Thank you. This is the time to end a beautiful morning assembly. Stay healthy and be kind. We promise to meet you again with new thought, thinking and better performance. Thank you and have a nice day.